Welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So, the star of Black Panther, the famous movie Black Panther, recently passed away. Chadwick Boseman recently passed away from the same exact thing as this brother here. A lot of us were very sympathetic in the social media space because I saw a lot of comments all over the place, condolences to Chadwick, so on and so forth. And right after that, one of our very own Jamaican, also a very accomplished brother himself, passed away under similar circumstances. Now, we covered his story when his story first broke. I believe it was in the Star and the Gleaner, where he was setting up a GoFundMe and asking for donations to help him to get to Mexico to secure some treatment in his fight against that deadly disease. Well, fast forward 2 years later, and the brother, Denver Feluke Smith, has passed on. You can see video clips and read more about him at alphaboysschoolradio.com. Now, this young man has already toured half the world with Jimmy Cliff, Luciano, and others, gaining much experience and knowledge of global audiences, or should I say appearing at a number of international festivals such as Rotterdam, Reggae Sumfest, and Jamaica Jazz and Blues. He has also toured with and recorded for Stephen Marley on his Grammy-winning albums Mind Controlled Acoustic and The Revolution Part 1. After spending time as musical director for Kimani Marley and for Jacure, Feluke now takes the stage for himself and his audience. And that was what was written on alphaboysschoolradio.com, where I found this piece of video clip that I played. It is so sad that we don't give the flowers to our great ones so they can smell them while they're alive, you know. But in celebration of his life, so I go over to Urban Islands, who covered it very well in detail. And it says that reggae star Feluke has sadly lost his battle with colon cancer. The Jamaican artist and percussionist Denver Feluke Smith has passed away due to complications surrounding colon cancer. The ailing performer died in Mexico City, where he was receiving extensive treatment for his condition. After he was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer in 2014, Smith had been back and forth between medical facilities, surgeries, and treatments, seeking relief from tumors and excruciating pain. Things began to look up in 2017 after Feluke first traveled to Mexico to be treated by experts. He responded well to that treatment and was able to deliver a stellar performance at Reggae Sumfest that same year. But his condition subsequently worsened, and after a GoFundMe was set up to offset his travel expenses and treatment, he lamented his status in a Gleaner interview, longing for better days. I came back from Mexico with fire. I was ready to get back into the groove of things. My doctor told me to get back into my normal routine as much as possible, and I was looking forward to the days ahead. It breaks my heart to know now that I am right back here again, Feluke said. I'm back in my bed. I can't walk for very long. Since Feluke's tragic death, artists and fellow musicians have posted tributes to social media. Veteran crooners, Third World, as well as Jesse Royal, Dwayne Stevenson, and a bunch of others have submitted their sincere condolences for the star. Taurus Riley's comment said, he penned a heartfelt caption that says, Jano, the one you're rough, FXK up bad, RIP Denver at Feluke Music. You will be greatly missed, but not forgotten. I will not be sad because your energy was always the total opposite. Salute. You keep the vibes up right through. I learned from you. People can talk until they go through shit. Then they really know how it go. I will not be sad though. Legends don't die. Legends can't die. Travel safe. Hashtag RIP our brother Denver Smith. And it is with that I say that it is appointed unto man to die once. Man, woman, and child. At one point in life, we will all exit this life. So our brother has come to the end of his journey, and I myself didn't even know that he was that steeped in reggae music. I mean, he worked with the greats. He has traveled extensively, spreading the culture, the vibes, as an ambassador all across the world. Not only that, he was very talented, our own homegrown talent and good vibration embodied in one person. A life well lived, a life of service, and from what I can gather, a life of gratitude, because he was always upful and joyful and giving and caring. At the end of his road, in this life, and on his journey into the next life, fly high with the ancestors, rest in Uhuru, Feluke. You fought a great fight, brother. Alright? People, leave your comments in the comment section below. Go look him up. Go look up his music, what he's about. And probably, just like me, a lot of you cannot honestly say that you own any copies of his recordings or he was anywhere in your playlist. Right? It's nothing to feel bad about. We live in a huge world, and with the internet and all this other stuff now, we are bombarded and inundated with all kinds of different forms of entertainment. So it's not like it was a disrespect to not seek him out, find him, and know his music. But now through his passing, we can look and reflect on the vibrations that he has left for us here on earth. Alright? One love. Walk good. Spread good vibrations. Be good to others as you will want them to be good to you until your time comes. I'm out. Peace.